People big up on themselves, don't know the thing go. You will link there. They up on the shopping spree now, people. See it? They look for all type of meat, yeah. See all beef foot on them, something, all type of goat foot on them, something, you know there? Yeah. So I'm there in the place and I do some shopping. I don't know people have to do the shopping as usual, you know, I don't know the thing go. You understand? Yeah, but what me about some Akia now, people, some can Akia, and what me say the price of them really turn up. You understand? So I soon go look on them. Yeah, man. Place are big, you know, see there? Big place, you know? Yeah, man, they do some shopping and think, don't know where you go. To feed the body, you know, so you have to go out there and do the shopping as usual. You get me? Yep. So, I want some Akia now, my people, so I'm going to look for my Akia them now. Right, now look for my Akia, you know. You see the, oh, alright, people, see me. Find Akia now, see it there? This is one of the Akia them now. For $9.79, but there was an next Akia where I did say, like for $11. See it there? Akia now, people, see it there? Grace make it. In a salt water. Price is $9.79. Zin? And what I want to know now, look at the price of the Akia now. $9.79. Whoop. Mr. Wellness know what I go on with the Akia now, you know. Because you see it? When we see them chuck your Corona or Jamaica and boy, them buy Akia people. Zin? And then pay. So look at money for the Akia them. You know what I mean? When they come with the big old chuck and then give people them all and strip on the people them Akia tree. And open Akia them. You understand? And so much money them charge to them. But in the end, you know, people, see it? How much them they have for and sell them for? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. So much you have to pay for Akis on a daily basis. Yeah, man, so the wife the people. See her? Yeah. So she a pull Charlie. So you go. Doing vlog wife working. You get the saltfish? Oh. Because I go eat some of the Akis still the people, even though it's expensive, you understand? With some saltfish. So now I look at my food section now. See there? Yeah, man, them things they are same way. There was it there. You know? But them banana they look so. Yeah. Banana like them sick. Tell your people. Fruits and veg and everything there. Cabbage. But to eat cabbage are foreign people because I don't trust cabbage, you know what I mean? Too much plastic cabbage they bought. I don't trust them something. You know what I mean? I buy them cabbage there. Or some orange, a Simpson orange, you know. Or some orange there, you know, people. But in them orange I'm too trust, you know. So them say them want to lose to them, where's the orange, you know, people? They don't carry seed. I don't know where the orange make. Because the orange don't bring seed, you know. They have some different orange in a bag, you know. I don't even see the price of them. Watch out. Some of them all are spoiled and them shit. You know the thing about people up here. You have to feed the body and take care of the body, you know. Eat up a fruits, eat up a veg and them something. Yeah, man, so this is when you link to do, you know, people. So I'm not vlog right now. This is a vlog me I do right now. But then at the store, shop, see there. And look how much my bag them at. I look at the $10 for them bag of orange and people. And what is that? 2. Watch out, some of them all are rotten and flying and hands like that. No wonder. Rotten orange. See the people. Yeah. Watch out. Can't buy that, you know, you have to inspect the thing them, you know, people before you take them, you know. You know, I go already, they know I'm coming out, so I buy. Some people just come and buy and take up things. I don't work, so. When I buy, I inspect before I buy. I see people, some I work. I have to check the orange, you know. And see if they're good. You know what I mean? See them on. Boy. When I like it can go on still. Like, I'm going to go somewhere friend, go get the orange to the still. That's how much you like this, 4, 7. Look a bit in this, you know, and how much you watch that around. Need not buy the orange or something, and short. But somewhere else you get the orange, you know. Yeah, man. There, you know. Walking all peanut there and them something. And peanut are different still from the one we know a yard still, you know. The one that carries, or the red green one them. We yard peanut them, see there. Peanut. You know what I mean? See one like where they are. Yeah. Eh? IJ. Yeah, I go come on orange. So now, they are paper. air fresh there, everything there. Yeah man, so you know what I mean? On a daily basis sometimes we have to just show the people in my life with NEWLINK how we live. You know what I mean? Not say every day. Boy, cause some things are going on on a real level and sometimes get sick and tired of talk about them something, you know what I mean? On a real level. So we showcase a different side of life sometimes, yeah, man. Honestly. Yeah man. Walk in a tile, see them way. Everything, you know? It's a life with NEWLINK, man. They don't have some garbage bagger though, people. Look on some garbage bagger now. So now the garbage bagger for tip now. So they want for $2.15 coming out, $2.20. 20 another one, $3.50. But if you can't fit the size of the bin we want, that's the problem now. You know? So now look one more one with the most tonight and the cheaper one in the people, because you have to budget the money too, you know. You understand? Yeah man. They want to so good enough people. And I say, the white one, I'm rather the black one. But less night. That's my problem right now. Shit man. But they may buy one at 20 bucks coming out in people. That was a good buy. You know what I mean? I'm going to pay like $4 something for it. But I don't see them one day now. This have 17 in eye. Good sense, large. I don't want no large. Because my bin not so big. With less plastic, stronger with less plastic. Look on that. I don't want that. That's a water thing. This is one I say now. Tall kitchen bin, 15 in eye. Let me see. But one day they're strong. You know? Yeah, go on now. Now I work with that one. Yeah. See? I work that one, people. $2.15. I work with it. Yeah, I work with that one. Yeah. I work with that one. Yeah. Don't know. The man so big up everyone. I don't know. All of the real subscribers them out there, man. All over the world there. You know, big up on the self-scene. I don't know anything, alright? Yeah.